In this video, I'll show you how to fix the GeForce unable to download recommended driver. Now first what we want to do is come down here and search for run. In here we want to type in % local app data %, just like that. Press OK, open it up. Now from in here what we want to do is find our GeForce folder. So it should be under NVIDIA Corporation. Open this one up, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, and find the save cache. Now this folder you want to delete, so just press delete and wait for it to be deleted. Don't worry, it's going to regenerate itself when we open up NVIDIA GeForce, so you can delete it safely. Now after you've deleted it, you can check if it works. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is come down here, apps and features, and simply do an uninstall of GeForce. So come in here and search for NVIDIA, find a GeForce Experience, uninstall, and then reinstall. Now this should hopefully fix your issue. If it doesn't, what you can try is find your NVIDIA GeForce Experience. In here, open file location, right click on it, properties, compatibility, and activate these two. Now see if that works. I really hope it does. Now if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.